It's like 9:15 right now, and I have to get out from here like at around 9:30. And it's like I just wanted to skip today, but I cannot because I've already skipped twice this month or thrice. There's this wedding that my friend invited me to, but I cannot go there because I would be working. I hate it there. It's like, I don't know, people, I don't know why am I even there. I don't even know if this is going to work. I'm just doing shit so that I could survive for long enough so that one day my content blows up and I won't have to do this shit again. Until then, I'm just surviving. Just one good content and I won't be doing this job anymore. It's like every day you're preparing for the next day whenever you get out from the job. So it's never over. It's like it, it's always something connected to the job and you just don't get time for yourself. You could try getting out from there at the correct exact time, but it doesn't make a difference because it already takes your whole day. So I don't know if I'm really meant for this, if I'm really, you know, cut out for this job. Although it's a nice morning, but I don't think I'll be able to continue doing this for long enough time. Petrol is almost over. I have to earn some money for petrol, and it's like the things I do. Yesterday, I realized that how little money I have, because me and my friend went to MacD and I only had 150 rupees and the bill was 207. So I had to split up with her, and it just felt embarrassing. It just felt like, what am I even doing? It's already 9:20 and I have to get out from here in 10 minutes. Then I'll reach there at 10. Then I have to work there whole day around for from 10 to 6:30 p.m. That's 8.5 hours of staying in a place that I don't even like. Then I'll have to get out from there at 6:30 and I'll take around 1 hour. I'll take around 1 hour to reach home. Not exactly 1 hour, but half an hour to reach my area. Then I have to go to the gym, and after that it will be like already 9:39 p.m. and then I have to prepare for the next meal of tomorrow. And there goes my whole day. And I've been doing this for months now. I've been doing this for months now. I wonder if this is worth it.